Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zita. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how I made over my small condo patio on a budget using what I have. The only thing I bought here were some flowers and some small plants. Everything else I used from what I had on hand. And this is my sweet little dog Sam. He's going to be supervising me today. And as you can see here, it's pretty messy from the winter storage. So right here I'm starting with a cleanup. Just cleaning up everything that I had left on my patio over the winter. Right here I'm starting with my first planter. I have some railing planters here. These are from last year that I bought from the Dollarama actually. And the flowers that I'm using in here are Calabrosha, I think that's how you say it, a potato vine, a creeping Jenny on one side, and then the spike in the middle. I think that looks beautiful. How about you? They fit really nice on my patio railings. And for this next planter here, I'm reversing the colors. Putting the pink on the outside and the yellow on the inside. My puppy's giving me a sweet little kiss for all my hard work. Right here I'm using a canna lily, 2 canna lilies in that planting bed. They'll grow nice and tall in there. Here I'm bringing out my little glass and metal bistro set. This is also from last year, so I didn't have to buy anything. As you can see, I use the patio for quite a bit of storage during the winter. I also do some work out there during the winter as well, like woodwork. I actually use this child bike cart for my dog when we go on a bike ride. What about you guys? Do you guys do that with your dog? Here I'm starting to bring out some of my indoor plants. This is my nice cactus. I have to be careful bringing that out because it's very, very sharp. And this is my patio mat from last year. This, I believe, is from Walmart. I like the black and white. Kind of goes with any color that you're going to use on your patio. Here I'm making more planters for the other side of my patio. I think I had 6 of those planters in all, 3 on each side of the patio. That looks pretty nice, eh? I really like that purple and yellow. What do you guys think? Here I'm bringing out more of my indoor plants. I actually brought out all of my indoor plants. This pot was a little heavy. It's a terracotta pot. Just put one pot inside of the other. I guess I missed recording me bringing out another huge terracotta pot, which was even heavier than the first one. You'll see that pot in the pictures later on. Here I'm just wiping down all of my patio cafe lights. These are awesome lights. I think these are from Bed Bath & Beyond. Here's some of my patio decor, fun decor. What about you guys? Do you guys use fun decor like that? Here I just put out my banana tree. Just giving everything a good wipe down and a good sweep. Here I'm using some chairs from last year. These are also from Walmart. I put out these cushions, but I kind of took them off afterwards and I used another cushion that I had, some red ones. You'll see those later. What do you think of my dog, Sam? Is he a good supervisor? And this plant is from indoors from last year. This is a philodendron. Aren't the leaves just beautiful on this philodendron? And we're all finished. The supervisor did a great job. Isn't he adorable? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and that it gives you guys some inspiration to make your patio over on a budget. Let me know what you guys think and how you guys made your patio over this summer. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button for more videos. See you next time, guys.